Hi everyone! Welcome back sa Pagkaing Pinoy TV. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng chicken macaroni soup or chicken sopas.
First, we will saute the onion. Add the garlic. Let it cook until the onion turns translucent and fragrant. Add the chicken and cook it until light brown. Once the chicken is cooked, add the macaroni. Pour the chicken stock. Next, add the evaporated milk. Put on the lid and let it cook until the pasta is al dente. Now the pasta is cooked, so we will add water, 2 cups. Then we'll put the hot dogs. Carrots. Let's also add the celery and just give it a stir. Now let's season it with salt and pepper. Cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. Add the cabbage and let it cook for another minute. Our chicken macaroni soup is ready to be served. We will just transfer it in a serving bowl while it's hot.
Ayan, napakasarap ng chicken macaroni soup or chicken sopas. I hope matry nyo din tong recipe na to. At kung meron pa kayong ibang gusto nyong lutuin ko, just comment it below. At i-mention nyo rin kami sa inyong mga social media accounts kung natry nyo tong recipe na to. Click nyo rin yung subscribe button at yung bell icon para makareceive kayo ng notification sa mga latest videos namin. Visit our website at www.pagkaingpinoytv.com at mag-follow kayo sa aming Instagram at Pagkaing Pinoy TV1. Huwag niyo rin kalimutang mag-join sa aming Facebook page at Pagkaing Pinoy TV1. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye!